The Enriched Support Program is really designed for students who might not meet the traditional requirements to come to university.
We are really a stepping stone, a jumping off point of opportunity.
It's really a pathway program. It gives you a way to transition into university.
University overwhelms all of us when we start.
So a workshop is a place where students who are in ESP in the same class together get together every week and review their course material.
Weekly, it's like your own organized study group.
And that review session is facilitated by an upper year student who's been trained in getting you guys working together to really master the content.
We have a variety of different activities. A lot of it involves peer collaboration. The students have each other for support as well as a trained facilitator who can guide them along the way to success.
We don't learn on our own.
One of the big shifts coming to university is how you spend your time. So the workshops, they're great. They're built right into your schedule. You don't have to try and organize your own time in a sense.
It's wonderful to see people working hard in their workshops and developing those skills that they're going to need for success in university.
So many of our students come back and work with us and pay it forward. And so all of these things are the gifts of our programs, the things that students take away that make the foundation of their success.